afternoon. We're here in our place in Mabalacat, and right now it's second day of Pabasa 2023. It's a tradition for a Filipino or even to another country in Spanish. Example, uh, they sacrifice their self and they use some cross or they do some like some blood in the back, and right now it's second day and have until Saturday, so take a look and we're gonna take some video. Okay, thank you. Guys, they take some heavy cross so to sacrifice themselves for Jesus. The cross is so heavy. Sometimes they walk until maybe 5 kilometers and they take all this heavy cross. It's always a tradition here in Philippines. It's origin from Spanish because they been here in Philippines, and we've seen how they do it. Even from Spanish also they do this one. Also in cemetery have right now. Inside cemetery.
Barangay San Francisco.
We're here in Barangay San Francisco, part of Mabalacat City, and it's shortcut going to Clark, Pampanga. And right now it's so many cross. It's from our place.
What do we do? Why fighting?
They're not fighting. They're just only, I don't know how to say. Have someone in the cross, someone who have blood in the back, and have also someone who they put some what is this?
It's a church or a cemetery.
Yes, cemetery.
In these cemeteries, people sometimes live, you say.
Yes, so many people also live here.
Inside cemetery.
Inside cemetery. Hi guys, we're here in Barangay Kolumpang, Mabalacat City, and we're going to Zoocobia. It's good here. Seems like forest. And you can use also bike here if you're interested in some adventure. Sitio Monticayo, Barangay Kolumpang. We're the Zoocobia place.
Already don't have road.
So don't have road already here. same already. Maybe we're just...
I open up local people where Zoocobia.
Oh, it's Zoocobia.
This is Zoocobia.
Maybe we need to pay for the entrance
Zoocobia
here.
not here. But I don't know, like already broken or...
Ah, this one's Zoocobia.
This is Zoocobia.
You can park here and ask how we go there inside. It's like it's park. It's park good.
Zoocobia. Cannot run here. Only walk. This is entrance. It's all information about tickets. You've been before already? So
Maybe
you
it's
like?
college.
In the college?
It's like a tour with all college. Like this, my in SLC. Then we do be in what is this? Paradise Ranch. We put some we plant some some big tree like this, a small tree, and then after that they will put your school. And here also we've been inside also.
But we already we arrive 4:20, so it's already closed.
Yes, but it's good also inside. But if you want good also, better you go to Manila Ocean Park or Manila Zoo. It's better. You can see there, and also you pay for the entrance. It's already better. Hi guys, we show already the place Zoocobia, and also it's per date already go to Zoocobia. It's already 4:30, and it's the fee go inside is 400. How much?
485.
For
So it's about
485.
1,000 for us.
Yes, it's for two person. It's 1,000 already. So it's for me it's so expensive.
And
Better
fully on also
yes.
for 10 minutes.
So
Hi guys, I will show to you where you can buy gasoline in the Philippines. Gas. If you forgot to take gas in gas station, and you can see this small shop like this. You can buy gas here. Gasoline. This is gasoline. 1 liter. How much gasoline 1 liter? How much? Hello, how much gas 1 liter? 65 peso. Okay, thank you. So with 65 peso, you can buy gas. So it's a shop like this. You can see. Shaira, what name location? What name location here?
Bamban.
Huh?
Bamban.
This is Bamban. We now in Bamban. I'm going to Bamban Bridge.
Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Hi guys, now we in the Mavoke, Mabalakat. It's a public market. We want to go to buy mango because now season for mango. And here also so many people. This is park. Playground, this children playground also. So many people. So let's go to buy. Ask about mango. How much mango? Because we've been already in the Bamban. In Bamban, 80 peso.
Yes.
I want to know how much here mango. Today not so many people. Usually weekend so many people in this market. Also have fish. Here 140 mango. Okay, so next time we will go to the Bamban, because from Bamban to our place it's about 10 minutes drive motor.
So what we gonna buy? Some cucumber? Wala, don't have potato already.
Potato don't have.
Cucumber don't have. Cabbage don't have.
We can buy potato right now. Apple also. But I know this is apple is 15 peso.
Yan, tag-10 na lang.
10.
How
10 pesos.
10 peso already. So this is now cheaper. In Thailand, you remember I've been in Thailand, it's 15 peso. But in the Philippines, we can buy this. Ask Shaira, how much potato here?
Magkano kayong patatas nita?
Patatas.
Area, magkano?
Magkano kayong patatas nita? 90.
Potato is 90 peso now.
9 yan.
But before I remember 100, so price is little bit less now. Excuse me, how much tomato right now?
25.
25? 1 kilo.
Sino?
Tomato is very cheap price.
Sino?
I think you can buy more. Little bit.
Ano nga, Lu?
So we choose this one.
100 na lang siya. Maraming kaya.
And we always put right here how much, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here this is 8 peso. Oh, I will only take video. We already bought.
No
Thank
bag?
you. So this it depends of size. Yes, it depends of size as price. Smallest is this smallest is 5.5. Bigger.
Bigger.
Okay, thank you. Before we already bought here.
No vlog?
Hello.
It's my friend.
Hey, hello.
Hello.
Kaya kahit 15 mabalik ka, tapos tawag ko tayo 16. Ikaw, bisang ko din.
Also tea. Iced tea. Hello. How much iced tea? How much?
10 pesos.
Very good price. Thank you.
Thank you.
10 peso only.
Kasaba cake.
Yes, it's cassava cake also. Have you already bought before?
No, right now don't have.
Okay, let's go.